to help you determine the overall costs of sending a child to school or going to school yourself, what you're going to want to do is go to what's called the cost estimator. To find that, you're going to start with the main UWM page, and you're going to go to current students. You're going to then select one stop, and you're going to scroll over finances and go to Total Cost Estimator. As you can see different options, and what you'll do is you'll go through and select each option for what you will be, or what your student will be. So you will select if you are going to be, for example, a bachelor's resident. If your student is going to be is a resident of Wisconsin, you're going to select that. If they will be living on campus, you will select which location they will be living in. You will then select a meal plan. Typically, the meal plan that most students take is that level 2 meal plan. So then you get your overall main charges, or your direct billed charges. Then you'll start looking at books. So these are indirect costs that are not billed. So we average about $800 per year for books and supplies. For transportation, if your student is planning on using a car while on campus or using a bus, figuring out what those costs are going to be, any miscellaneous costs as well, and then you get to your total charges and additional expenses. What you're then going to do is look at if your student is going to be receiving any scholarships, any grants, if there's savings, and any loans that were accepted. So let's say there's $1,000 in grants, there's $500 in scholarships, and then the freshman student is eligible for up to $5,500 in loans their first year. So we'll put that in, and you can see that right now the financial assistance is about $7,000. So the remaining balance of the books, tuition, housing, room and board is $13,006. You can send a copy of this through email as well.